babe. Your feet are barking again.
Huh? What?
I can't sleep with them going off like that.
Sorry, I'll try to quiet him down. He's...
Babe, you're snoring again. Oh no. Billy, hey, you're doing it again.
5 toast.
Seriously, it's 3 a.m. Wake up.
Huh?
Billy!
What? Like and subscribe.
Hey, if you're feeling this vibe, hit that like button right there. Yes, that one. And while you're at it, tap subscribe so you don't miss anything new. Go on, I'll wait. Got it? Good. Turn on the bell too for the full experience. Thanks for hanging.